Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. Your weekend is over. It's over with. Time to make the donuts. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. Before we get started, I just want to very briefly go over the disclaimer. Let me pull it up. Give me just a second. Testing. All right. Here. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please do yourself a favor, consult with a licensed financial advisor. We're not offering any type of trading advice here today, just a demonstration. All right. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, December 8th. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Any day you wake up above ground, you started it off right. Amen? Amen. So let's take a look. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. It's a very news-driven market. We got a big week this week. Fed is meeting on Wednesday, and they are expecting a 1/4 point interest rate cut. They're just wondering how many dissenters that there will be. They think there will be some dissenters, but they are expecting the interest rate cut to come through. So today, prior to Wednesday, what do we have? We don't have anything. I don't see any orange or red folder reports. In fact, I don't even see a yellow report for today. So I don't see any news reports. The coast is clear. Good morning, Mr. Bob. Oh, shoot. My audio's not working? Testing. Can you hear my audio? Relax. We are going to run the NQES best spots. MC, welcome. Ed, welcome, sir. Rao, can you hear my voice? Somebody talk to me. Okay. So what we normally do is prior to us opening, we allow the bots to run pre-market right through the overnight session. And we have what we call our leaderboard. These are the bots performing the best in today's trading environment. These have a weight when we determine which bot we're going to choose. Now, if you've been following us, we just released our NQ and ES best bot. Okay, thanks, Bob. And what these bots will do is they're going to automatically piggyback the most profitable bot. Interestingly enough, what I'm able to do is copy that same NQ best bot and make an MNQ best bot. So I can run everything on the E-minis, which uses less resources, and I create a best MNQ bot. This is the NQ bot. I've duplicated it somewhere around here. I've got an MNQ best bot that's going to actually look at the bots trading the minis, and it's going to piggyback the bot that's the most profitable one, but it's going to execute it on the micros. We're going to test that out today and see how it works out. Let's get the ES best bot going. So we've got our best spots running on both the MNQ and the NQ, and I've also got it on the ES. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to run it on the micro ES as well. Let's take a look and see what happened prior to us launching this live stream. The market has been kind of flat. Overall, we have a green 50, a bullish trend. But since midnight, let's see where the session opened. At 6 p.m., the session opened here, and price is almost exactly where the session started. So 9:30, everybody, good luck. Let's see how it goes today. Our NASDAQ sniper, Mack Truck, Velocity. I'm just reading out the names of the bots that are performing the best. RJ just jumped in. RJ has been very, very solid. I'm looking at this break of resistance. Thank you, Rao. Good morning. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. Okay, let's show us the way here. Let's see if there's some follow through to the upside here at the open. The power play is in long. Bam, and it's leapfrogging away. Nice. We got about 10 prop accounts today geared up, ready to go. We've got the ETP trade copier. We're going to be trading 5 prop shop trader accounts. And we're going to be trading 4 Apex accounts. Here's another entry on the power play. A nice pullback and go, a signal C entry. That RJ is looking nice. Maybe perhaps today they price in that interest rate cut that they know is coming down the pipe. Bam, we're in that power play. We're in the leapfrog. RJ's having a nice run. I'm going to enable my prop shop and look for this break of resistance. There we go. Prop shop is in. Let's see if we get some follow through to the upside here. This is the prop shop trade. Got a stop out for $110. Here comes the pullback and go. Nope. If we bought the AI bot software a couple weeks ago, yes, sir. Yes, sir, ma'am. MC, yes. In the Discord chat, we posted the update. Let's see if this short roll, if our 20U breaks down below the 50. Our power play will take off short. Nope. What could be the reason? Make sure your drone is enabled, number one. The drone must be enabled for the bot to take a trade. I would check your trading hours in the drone. Make sure they're set to be trading now. And I would also check your log to see if you're getting excessive lag that's preventing the entry. On my copier, I make tabs at the bottom of the ones that I feel good about copying. I always do the power play because it has an ABC entry, a trigger. The ES scalper, I like that one. And I'm playing the Mac truck because it's on my leaderboard. So with this trade copier, I could very quickly enable one of those as my leader account. Let's see if we get a move to the downside here. We've got some clear sailing if our 20U breaks below the 50. We've got some running room to the downside. We just need the 20U to break through. Here we go. Let's see if it breaks. I'm gonna watch this one. That's a big area of support. Let's see if it breaks it. If your bots aren't trading, I would, on your control center on the bottom is your log tab. I would check your log tab. It usually tells the story of why it's not trading. My guess is at the open you might be getting excessive lag. Okay, it jumped in short. Let's see if it gets any follow through the downside. I really didn't see my 20U break. I like to see 3/4 of that candle body break down below the 50. There is some selling pressure, but we haven't really broken support. Nope. No follow through the downside. If there's no errors in your log and everything is enabled, I would open up a chart, and if you have a chart open, and see if you're getting data. It's usually the data or the account that the issue is. But I'd be happy to get with you after the session. If you send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com with the best phone number to reach you. Don't put it in here. But send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com, and as soon as I'm done trading, I'll give you a call. That's what I figured. Then you have a data issue. Okay, we just got the break. Now we're 3/4 of the way through. That Mack truck's going to take off short. See if we can get a short roll. Come on down to support. Nope. Let's be patient. How do you fix it? It depends who your data provider is. Are you running a prop account, prop firm? If so, I would check the status of your account. Sometimes if your account's blown, you won't have data. If you're using NinjaTrader's data, the continuum, then you could fix it through the NinjaTrader website. And you could subscribe to that CME Level 1 bundle. It's $12 a month, and it will give you all of the data that you need. You could do that right in your portal with ninjatrader.com. But we got to get you some live data. You could subscribe to a prop account and use their connection. Here we go with the short roll. Here we go. My 20U is well below the 50 now. Let's see our ES on the 8U. It's dropping down into support. Let's put the VWAP on the chart. Below the VWAP. I like this ES short. It's just going right into support here. Huh. It would help if I enabled it. My best spots haven't taken a trade yet. Okay, power play just went long. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. The ES8U scalper leapfrog jumped in. Let's take a look at that. AIES8U scalper leapfrog. AIES. Here it is. See a break of support here. We're not getting any follow through. It's just a very choppy market so far. We like to watch the market. We like to watch the bots. Price action. Relax. On your control center, if you click on connections, which connection are you using? Where is your data provider? Who is your data provider? If you go to connections, configure, make sure your credentials, make sure your green light is on at the bottom left of your control center and you're connected. If you are connected, the feed that you're connected to, click on it and make sure your credentials are there and they're correct. It's on simulation. If it's on simulation, that's your NinjaTrader. I would go to ninjatrader.com and log into your portal and just subscribe to that CME level 1. It's $12 a month. If you have an account with Ninja, you can subscribe for $12. If you don't have an account with Ninja, then go to one of the prop firms and just buy yourself one of the prop accounts. Let's see if we get this break of support. I'm going to anticipate the break here. Here we go. I'm back in the prop shop. Let's see if we can get some follow through the downside. Come on down. I'm looking for it to go to first, but break even plus or minus. Now I need a leapfrog. I need a leapfrog down. A little further. Come on down. Come on down. My leapfrog, it looks like it's stuck. Come on down. Went all the way. Oh, it's right back in. See if we get some follow through the downside here. Oh, look at that ES. Oh, you know what I just did? Ay, ay, ay. when I flatten everything on my ETP. Okay. Ay, man almighty. Okay. Yeah, if you have a prop account, you need to establish a connection with your prop firm and not use the simulation feed. Unless that is your prop account, I'm not sure. Nice, Rao. Great job. Caught that move down. But then it took a second entry and got caught in that. Took the it bounced right back at me. Let me see if I can catch another short entry. Now, these weeks that they're anticipating interest rate cuts, it's almost like, here we go, we're back in short. Come on, let's get one. Come on down. Come on down a little further. Ah, let's let it play out. Come on down. Push down. Not getting really good follow through, unfortunately. The beautiful entry short, just no follow through. Mack truck. Hey, Judy, welcome. Good to see you. Hope you had a nice weekend. Just took off short. Hey, algorithmic. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you had a nice weekend. Here we are, Monday morning. Let's make something happen. Took another entry short on the power play. Hasn't been getting any follow through. Market's been chopping around. The bot doing the best so far is the NQ 20U Mac truck. 20U Mac truck. Let's get a history on that guy. Let's pull up our trade performance on the Mac truck. See what it's been doing. The Mac truck through November 17th through December 8th on the micro does very well between 10:30 and 11:30. Let's take a look at the mini. Ooh, not too well at the open. Looks like an order got loose on me there. Let's see if we get any follow through. We've been getting some selling pressure, some beautiful setups, but with no follow through. It looks like it gets stuck. $20U's got some running room to the downside. Nothing doing. Let's see what's going on the ES. It's just sitting there. Nothing. All right, we got to just sit on our hands here. Take a quick look at gold. See if gold is doing anything. It's not on my leaderboard, so here we go. Another beautiful entry short. Let's see if it finally catches some follow through. Come on down. Here we go. No risk on the trade now. Let's see if we can get a push down. Needed to get into our leapfrog. Come on down. I have a feeling you're right, Rao. It's just an assumption, but I don't think they're. I think it will bounce eventually. The Bears just ain't making it happen. But who knows? The market's acting like today's Wednesday. Same entry. Let's see if it gets in the window this time. No follow through. We released our brand new NQ Best and ES Best. Mack Truck is back in. That's been the hottest spot out here. Just took a loser. This is tough. Let's see if gold is enabled. What I did was I spoke with one of our members, Greg, and he told me that he had the same problem that I was having with the crashes. And what he did was he had to disable his antivirus while he traded. So I did give that a try, and so far so good. I'm pushing my luck. I want to enable everything. Oh, it would help if I had my data feed connected. Yeah, I did it to myself. I did it to myself that time. Okay, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. We need this market to make a move here. ES30 range 1-day pass is in. Let's take a look. We have custom templates that are made exclusively to pass the eval. There's a problem with this entry. Oh, there it is. I was wondering, where's my stop and profit target? This ES30 range trade you see is a 1-day pass. We use this to pass an eval in one trade. If it goes down and hits my profit target, I get a funded account. If it comes back and hits my stop, I got to buy another. NQ Best is in. Let's take a look at the MNQ Best is in. Let's see what they're piggybacking. Has no stop. Let's see. Accounts, positions. The power play. It's piggybacking the power play, which is in short. Here's our MNQ Best Bot. No, you know which one it's piggybacking is the retirement plan. It's on that retirement plan. Okay, let the good times roll. Let's see if this NQ Best Bot found a winner here. This bot scans the whole portfolio of strategies, of NQ strategies, and piggybacks the best one. Let me turn off the 1-day pass on that 30 range. Oh, look at this 1-day pass on the ES. If this ES8 use leapfrog breaks support, this could turn into a very juicy trade right here. Excuse me. Let me grab a water. Give me just a sec. I'm starting to get a good feeling about this ES8U. Mack truck is back in. All right, Cheryl. Great job. Okay, let's go back here. I'm going to look to stop this trade out and get in it. Okay, it's in. I think. Hmm. Come on down. Need it to break through support here. Come on down. playing the ES8U on a short move. Need this break as support. Hey, good morning, George. It would help visually to expand the chart screens vertically. Vertically. Let me see. Vertically. This way here? This way? Come on, I need this break of support. Okay, no problem. If you send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com, I'll be happy to follow up with you. Let's get it running perfect. Let me give this a little bit more room. Come on down. Needed to break through support here. Come on, break on through. Let's go. Let's take a ride to the downside. Come on down. Let's go. Let's break through. Go ahead. Take a leg down. There you go. My NQ, Joan, is at 884. Play Joan. Not everybody is going to get the exact same identical results. It's important to understand that. There's a number of different factors that will prevent that from happening. We always want to take into consideration the results that we're getting on our own local machine. What someone else is getting or what I'm getting may not be the same for you. Come on, push down. Break through. Break this pivot. Let's go short. Oh, darn. Yeah, I've been running mine all night. That could be one of the reasons. E-mini stuck right there at support. Okay, the power play just jumped in short. Huh. Something else must be enabled. Nope. Nope. Huh. Come on down. Come on down. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but I'll take it. I can't stay in the tray because I don't know what I was in. I'm using two different copiers, and it might not be a good idea. Oh, man. Look at that. Here we go. This could be the move down we've been waiting on. Here is the move down we've been waiting on. Oh, man almighty. Look at this. Excuse me. Somehow I found a way to mess this up. Oh, man. Okay. Really sorry about that. Let me try to get this back up and running. Ay, ay, ay. Everything was perfect. Not Apex Ninja. We had that trade nailed, and trying to run two different trade copiers at once, and I got overwhelmed. I slipped on a banana peel. Too many banana peels. I found one. With the best spot, MC, the best spots we do need a trade copier. Well, I mean, you could. There's two ways, and in my onboarding video, I went over the two ways you could trade these bots. You could trade them with a trade copier or without a trade copier. I can go in my best bot under my strategies tab. Oh, my ES best bot took a trade. Curious to see what that is. Let's put the AI ES best bot on. It took a short. It looks like it piggybacked the scalper leapfrog. So my AI best spot is piggybacking the ES8U. So to answer your question, MC, in my strategies tab, I can edit the strategy of my best bot, and I can put my prop account directly into it. And click OK, enable it, and it'll trade that prop account. Or the second way is to use a trade copier and make the best bot my leader account, and my follower account would be my prop account. So you could do it either way. Hope that answers your question. You could do it with or without a trade copier. All right, great job, Gerald. Now rinse and repeat. Do that every day. Looks like it's bouncing on us. Let me try to bring my trade copier back up. It's 10:30 already. There's no need. I'm right about to pass this eval. It's a $25,000 account. Let's go over our leaderboard today. Our leaderboard, I was able to run the iBots this morning. The iBot NQ20U was the top on our list. The 20 Unorenco Mack truck. So the 20, interestingly enough, the 20U on both the iBots and the AI they were the best spots on my portfolio today. Then it was the iBot 16U, 20U, the ES8U leapfrog did very well. iBot on the 30 range, AI on the 150 range. The iBot 1 minute. And somehow, some way, I was able to get $100 across all four of my accounts. I still couldn't tell you how I did it, to be honest with you. I was enabled on two different copiers, and I know I was in that ES8U leapfrog. And then I think it took another entry on something else, maybe the micro NASDAQ is all I can think. And it got me in the green. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. And I can tell you that was sheer luck. happened on this move down? Coming up right behind me is professional options trader David Wise, and he's going to be trading the SPY Super System. If you've never seen David or the SPY Super System, highly recommend it. Trades options with almost a 90% win rate for like 5 years in a row that I've known him. He'll be coming up live right behind me. If you would, on your way out the door, please like my video here on YouTube. I need to tighten up. I'm really sorry. Today, I think I overwhelmed myself with having too many things going at once with the ETP trade copier and the affordable indicators copier. I lost track of what was enabled on what. But the win streak continues. I'll take it. Gerald's on a win streak himself. Congratulations, Gerald. George, if you could also, if you could just tell me a little bit more exactly what you would want to be expanded visually, and I'll try to accommodate you. I kind of got sidetracked with that, and I wasn't exactly sure what you meant. But I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow, and let's give it another shot. Please, if you would, like my video on your way out the door. This ES best spot is still in this trade. Or it looks like this is actually a second entry it took. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. Love to see this take another short roll and get this ES best spot on the board. Let me make sure my NQ best are all enabled. Yeah, my MNQ best, NQ best. Here we go. Let's see if we get a roll right back to support. Come on down. Price action's been a pretty herky-jerky today, I'll tell you. Got our ES8U scalper leapfrog. Came back from the depths. Price came back, almost got my stop. And we had that short right over here as it was going through support. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow. If you would, please don't forget, like my video here on YouTube. It keeps I like to think of it as job security. You know, I don't want to be on the unemployment line. Please like my video here on YouTube. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I hope it's a great Monday and the rest of your week. We're going to try to build on that little $100 that we put across 4 accounts today. See what we could pull out this week. Have a great week, George, Gerald, MC, thank you. Rao, Duke, the Dukester, Algorithm, Judy, Mr. Bob. Good to see you, sir. Got that banana peel today. Have a great day, everyone. So long.